AI YouTube Roblox channels are absolutely exploding right now. Seriously, look at this channel. It was created just 1 month ago and already has 1.5 million subscribers and over 300 million views. Yes, in 1 month, the new YouTube algorithm is on fire. It proves one thing very clearly: anyone can start a YouTube channel today and blow up. Now, look at this other channel. This one was created only 3 months ago, and it's already at 1.2 million subscribers and 1 billion views. Is this even real? 1 billion views in just 3 months? It took me 7 years to get my YouTube play button. 7 years, and these channels did it in 1 to 3 months. So you're probably wondering, how much money are these channels making? Because these are shorts channels, YouTube usually pays around 10 cents per 1,000 views. So a channel with 1 billion views probably made around $100,000. This is where most people get it wrong. They think you can't make money with shorts. Yes, shorts pay less per view, but that doesn't matter when you're getting billions of views. Some shorts channels already have 50 billion total views. That is absolutely mind-blowing. There is a huge amount of money inside this shorts trend right now. And because I'm a nice guy, please subscribe or I will cry. My name is Danny Y, and I created this channel to teach people how to grow on YouTube because I genuinely love YouTube. I've been doing this for over 10 years. I also want to be fully transparent. Yes, I sell a course. This channel is a project and a business, but you don't have to buy anything. In this video, I'm going to show you, step by step and completely for free, how to create videos just like these viral channels. So now, let's begin. Before creating the videos, we first need to study the channel and understand why it exploded to 1.5 million subscribers in 1 month. This channel is called Bolt. If we click more, we can see it was created on September 1st, and today is October 13th. That's just 1 month and 12 days. And in that time, 1.5 million subscribers. Absolutely insane. So what is this channel doing? It's posting Roblox shorts. Roblox is one of the most popular games in the world, played by over 1 billion kids. And where do kids watch content? On YouTube. This isn't just one channel either. Here's another Roblox shorts channel, created 3 months ago, 1.2 million subscribers, 1 billion views. That's around $100,000 earned. Roblox shorts are going crazy right now. And the best part, you don't need to play Roblox. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to use your real voice. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I even tested it myself. On one of my channels, one short got 27,000 views and then stopped, which is normal. But later, another short got pushed again and reached 6 million views in just 9 days. That's how the shorts algorithm works. Now here's the strategy. We are going to use AI avatars that react to Roblox videos. This person you're seeing right now is not real, it's an AI. This AI avatar reacting to Roblox got 14 million views and 400,000 likes. And that's exactly what we're going to create. I prepared a free Google document with all the tools and links you need: OBS, DubDub, and CapCut. Everything is free or extremely cheap. Follow exactly what I do, and you can build the same type of channel. Let's start. First tool, OBS. This is free screen recording software. Second tool, DubDub, for creating realistic AI avatars. Third tool, CapCut, a free video editing software. The process is simple. We record a viral Roblox short, generate an AI avatar reaction, combine them, add captions, and upload. That's it. No face, no experience, no expensive tools. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, watch my next video called The Hidden Strategy That Got Me 7 Million Subscribers. I promise you'll love it. Thanks for watching.